In the previous video, we explained the concept of impermanent loss. In this video, we will do the math to derive the formula for impermanent loss. This formula here represents the general concept of impermanent loss. Now let's dive in. Assume we have a token pair, token A and token B in a pool. The amount of token A is x0, the amount of token B is y0. x0 times y0 equals the square of L, where L is the liquidity of this pool, and y0 divided by x0 equals p0, where p0 is the price. Now here we have two equations and two variables, so we can solve for the expressions of these two variables, which is these two expressions. Okay, let's see what happens when the price change. Delta P. Now after the price change, the token amount will change too. Let's say there is x1 amount of token A and y1 amount of token B. Now the liquidity will stay the same, so x1 times y1 equals the square of L. This part is the same, but the price is different. So y1 divided by x1 equals delta P times P0. Delta P here is a number greater than 0. Again, we can solve for these two equations, which is these two expressions. Okay, now we have all the expressions we need. Let's start to calculate V pool and V holder. V pool equals value of x1 plus value of y1. The value of x1 equals x1 times the price, and the price is delta P times P0. And the value of y1 is y1. Now let's substitute these two expressions in here. We can get this final expression. V holder equals value of x0 plus value of y0. Value of x0 equals x0 times the price, which is delta P times P0. The value of y0 is y0. Now let's also substitute these two expressions in here, and then we get this final expression. Finally, let's substitute V holder and V pool in this formula. After substitution, we have a formula here, and we can cancel out all the L times square root of P0. And finally we have this formula, and we can further simplify it to this formula. Now we have the final formula of a permanent loss. Let's see what it looks like in a graph. We can see here when theta p equals 1, which means the price stays the same, the impermanent loss is 0. Now how about when the price doubles? We can see here when theta p equals 2, which means the price has doubled, the impermanent loss is around 5.7%. Okay, this concludes the math for impermanent loss. Thanks for watching.